I see South Sudan changing. I see South Sudan changing because of these kids and changing because of those people watching them. On your right, on your left, in front and behind you is your brother. I don't care what tribe they're from. And nobody should. There's a whole lot of tribalism in South Sudan. And so when you see a sport uniting people the way basketball does, and what matters is the fact that these kids from different tribes come together and play as a team and just play a sport in peace. Society is who teaches people to be this way or that way, and GOA is teaching them to love one another, to respect one another, and that to me it means so much more than basketball, and I'm just glad that we use basketball as a tool to teach that.
1, 2, 3. Again. Come on.
These are great kids.